Hey guys, before we get going, I want to take a brief look at this project called Trustbet. Trustbet has identified several problems in the online gambling casino industry. Some of them are economic and operational problems, particularly the extremely high compensation of the C-suite executives running the companies and pretty much making it unfair for everyone. And Trustbet suggests that if we integrate DAOs in online gaming, it could fundamentally shift the business model, offering more balanced and collective ownership compared to traditional publicly listed companies. This shift would address issues like disproportionate compensations and unfair dividends. So taking a brief look at Trustbet, Trustbet is on-chain DAO, a limited liability company on the Solana blockchain. TBet is Trustbet's on-chain DAO native token. Fully licensed casino, sports, and betting, Trustbet represents a democratized iGaming universe that challenges the centralized nature of traditional platforms. Sports betting, casino, classic gaming, and lottery soon to be available. Through its decentralized autonomous organization structure on the Solana blockchain, Trustbet breaks existing practices by implementing transparency, fairness, and you know what I love, a community-driven decision-making protocol with the addition of being a legally recognized company, the first ever of its kind. Now, we take a look at Trustbet. We see Trustbet leverages smart contracts to facilitate immediate and direct settlements, thereby bypassing the typical delays inherent in traditional payment systems, but ensuring their guaranteed payment without third-party interference. We see here Trustbet is currently in its pre-sale phase, so definitely want to take a look at this. So we want to look at is the early access to the Trustbet on-chain platform. So this is the chance to be among one of the first to experience the future of blockchain technology and iGaming and be a part owner and operator with full voting and 50% profits delivered to stake TBet holders in the DAO with the casino rollout. So huge. When we talk about timing, guys, we talk about what we are looking at. We talk about really the special bonuses that they're offering you. It's almost a no-brainer here. So pretty much to participate in the pre-sale, to access a range of unique bonuses and promotions designed to enrich your experience from the outset. You can have priority participation, secure your place ahead of the crowd, and be a part of the Web3 iGaming revolution. And to be honest with you guys know how we always talk about timing, right? We talk about that every week on the channel, and this is one of those scenarios where timing is huge. You can take a look at their Twitter and scroll through their Twitter to looking at the engagement right now as we speak. They have over 100k views on some of the posts, including already over 6,000 followers and just getting started. The Telegram channel is over 5,000 members already, and this growth is huge. We look at the roadmap. So Trustbet's roadmap is extensive, transparent, and pretty well laid out. They have a complete milestones, a technical paper, a complete DAO initial construction with 100 million max supply. They have token minting, diving into everything. You guys know how I love roadmaps. It's just show us where the project is going and the direction. So love what I'm seeing here. Upcoming milestones, we can take a look here at incorporate staking facility into the DAO for passive income, launch beta website, tier 1 exchange listings that are coming. You guys know how huge that is. And Trustbet on-chain released as a fully autonomous organization. So a ton of news, a ton of milestones coming. And to be honest with you, there's sky's the limit. So take a look at this white paper. We see the white paper there, and we see what they're doing, how they're doing it, and the big problem that they're solving, right? And you know, the biggest thing that I love is the community driven approach. You can go on their Twitter, you can go on their Telegram and see that community growing. It's growing. Timing is everything. Take a look at this project because the pre-sales here, but you can also be a part of the growth and ultimately profit from it, guys. So definitely take a look at Trustbet, dive in, links will be in the description, and we'll dive into the next article. Now, taking a look here at a market update here, we see that Bitcoin is currently sitting at $58,000, really just sitting at that level, $58,000, $58,083 and counting. So 2 cents, 41 cents, floating between that range. And spike that level of support here. And guys, you see this triangle that we have formed. We've had it for a long time. This is a weekly time frame. We do drop down to the daily. We see here that we did make a new lower low right here. This is a lower low, pulled back. This is a lower high point, primed to make a new low, which is under 50,000, guys. I know a lot of people don't want to talk about that, but that is what is here on the charts, is what the charts are telling us. If you just just based it off of pure technical analysis, that's what we're seeing. So with that being said, you guys know how we feel. Accumulate. Take advantage of projects almost like Trustbet, the one we just talked about. Take advantage of projects like that where you can earn money on your money and, ultimately accumulate a bag at discounted prices here. So we look at this article here. Analyst says Bitcoin prime to crash below 50,000 if major level holds. We see here that another analyst is saying that pretty much you're at a key decision level, which is almost aligned with what we have here. Pretty cool to see that. Go to the daily time frame. You can see this level, this lower high point. If we break above, it changes the game a little bit, but we stay below. Pretty much next level down is below 50,000. Pretty straightforward. So very, very good TA. We agree with that. Oh, look here. Didn't plan this, but they have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Pretty spot on. Who is this? Sherpa. So Sherpa, great TA. Great TA. Very simple, very straight to the point, and it's aligned with what we're looking at. So definitely love to see that here. Crypto fear greed is down to 41, guys. We look at that 41, and you guys know this is opportunity time. This is opportunity time. And with that, I think there comes a ton of momentum and a ton of opportunity to take advantage of it, because a lot of people are just going to sell and say, oh, I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna sell, I don't want to lose anymore, even though you only lose when you sell. People are selling. So you don't lose anything if you're holding it, right? If you hold it long term and eventually it turns around, you never really lost anything. So definitely something that we want to pay attention to. We look at crypto bubbles here. We see a couple projects that are green, but most are red for the majority of the market. For the month, almost everything is red for sure. You even have H bar pulling down to 5 cents, and a ton of different projects where we see opportunity. Like we have XLM at 9 cents. We have Maker at $1,900, right? Even here, Multiverse X, $25, pulling back. We have Floki, which we talk about all the time. Pulling back significantly for the month, guys. For the week, almost the same thing. A ton of pullbacks, but a ton of opportunity, and that's what we're gonna keep talking about that here. A ton of opportunity. These aren't just pullbacks; it is major opportunity. I definitely wanted to highlight that to give you guys the spark to take advantage of projects like Trustbet, projects like Floki that we talk about, because yes, there is risk, but yes, there is maximum reward, and the risk to reward ratio really isn't problematic for those that want to really change their lives and keep moving forward towards financial freedom with crypto assets, guys. So hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. See you soon.